Hello children, myself Amuta Shanmonathan, teaching Shet Vidya Mandir English High School for Standard 3rd. Subject English Grammar Standard 3rd. Topic Simple Present Tense. The tense of a verb shows when something happens. The simple present tense is used to indicate the following: habits, regular events, current situations, general truths or facts. See the examples. Habits. He goes for a walk every day. So walking is a habit for the boy. In this sentence, it indicates habits. Example in regular action. The cobbler mends shoes. The cobbler regular work is mending shoes. So this sentence indicates the regular action. Example of current situation. I am unwell. This sentence indicates what is going on now. So the sentence indicates the current situation. Example of general truths or facts. Trees give oxygen. This is a true sentence and you can't able to change this sentence. So it shows the fact. This sentence indicates the general truth or facts. In simple present tense, it resembles the base form of a verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person, that is he, she, it. Let us see examples. I do. Second, he does. Third, you carry the load. Fourth, she carries the load. The first one, I do. Do is the base verb and I is the first person. So the base verb is not changed. With the first person of pronoun, the base verb is not changed. And in the third one, you carry the load. Carry is the base verb. You is the second person. With the second person pronoun, the base verb is not changed. In second one, he is shows the third person and the base verb is add with es, that is does. In fourth sentence, she shows the third person and the base verb change to carries, that is added ies with the base verb. Let us solve the exercise in English Grammar Workbook. Choose verbs in the simple present tense from the box below to fill in the blanks. First one, my dog does wonderful tricks. Answer does is already written in the book. In this sentence, dog is the third person, so with the base verb es is added. Second sentence, in school we dash only in English. The word we shows the second person. Below in the box you have to choose the answer. Answer is speak. The base verb is speak. Third sentence, the sun dash in the east. The word sun shows the third person. In the third person, we need to add with base verb s or ies or es. So the answer is rises. The base verb is rises. Fourth one, on holidays we dash late. The word we shows the second person. There is no changes in the base verb. Answer is rise. The base verb is rise. Fifth sentence. Monica dares her dog for a walk every morning. In this sentence, the word Monica shows the third person. The base verb is added with S. The answer is takes. The base verb is takes. I hope everyone understood the concept of writing answer. The remaining sentence is an assignment.